Sammy, look! A rainbow! It's so beautiful and colorful. How did it get there? I mean, it wasn't there a moment ago.
That, my feline friend, is a question many have asked. Rainbows are one of nature's most magical displays. It all starts with sunshine and raindrops. When sunlight passes through raindrops, it bends and splits into different colors.
Sunshine and raindrops? That sounds so simple yet so amazing. But how do they make such pretty colors in the sky? It's like a painting.
Well, Luna, it's like magic, but the science kind. Let me explain. When the sunlight enters a raindrop, it slows down and bends. This bending causes the light to spread out into a spectrum of colors. Each color bends at a slightly different angle, creating a circle of colors that we see as a rainbow. The colors you see, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet, are always in the same order. It's like nature's own color palette. Isn't it fascinating how something as simple as sunlight and raindrops can create such a breathtaking sight? Every rainbow is a reminder of the beauty and wonder of our world. So next time you see a rainbow, remember the magic of science that makes it possible. It's a colorful surprise that never fails to amaze. Think of it like a big box of crayons, Luna.
Wow, a crayon box in the sky?
Exactly. Now when sunlight hits a raindrop, something amazing happens. It's like when you shine a light through a prism.
A prism?
Yes, a prism. It's a special shape that can bend light. But here's the magical part, Luna. Different colors of light bend at different angles.
Different angles? What does that mean?
It means, my curious cat, that the colors in the white sunlight spread out, and we can see them individually. It's like magic.
Amazing. So the prism separates the colors?
Precisely. And guess what, Luna? Each raindrop acts like a tiny prism.
Raindrops are like tiny prisms? That's incredible.
It is, isn't it? When sunlight enters a raindrop, it bends and separates into all the beautiful colors of the rainbow.
So that's how rainbows are made? Sunlight bending in raindrops?
Exactly. Rainbows are one of nature's most beautiful displays, and they never fail to amaze us. And the colors always appear in the same order, no matter where you see them or how big they are. The sequence is always red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. This order is due to the way light is refracted and dispersed in water droplets.
Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. It's like a magical formula that nature follows every time. That's a lot of colors, and they blend so beautifully together, creating a seamless transition from one to the next.
It is a beautiful spectrum of colors. Each color has its own unique wavelength, which is why they appear in this specific order. And here's a fun fact, Luna. You can remember the order with a little trick. It's called a mnemonic device. Just think of the name Roy G. Biv. Each letter stands for the first letter of each color in the rainbow.
Roy G. Biv? That's a funny name, but it's really helpful. I'll never forget the order of the colors now. And you know, rainbows are not just beautiful to look at. They also teach us about the science of light and color. When light passes through a prism, it splits into the same spectrum of colors. This is the same process that happens in the sky with rainbows. So next time you see a rainbow, remember Roy G. Biv and think about the amazing science behind it. Rainbows are truly one of nature's most wonderful phenomena, combining beauty and science in a spectacular display.
It is a bit silly, isn't it? But there's something magical about seeing a rainbow, don't you think? It's like nature's way of reminding us of the beauty in the world. But it helps remember the rainbow colors. You know, the classic Roy G. Biv, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Each color blending into the next, creating a spectrum of light that is simply mesmerizing. You know, Luna, every rainbow is unique. It's not just a pretty sight, it's a personal experience. The rainbow you see is different from the one I see.
Unique? What do you mean? How can that be? Aren't we looking at the same sky?
Well, the rainbow you see is created by the sunlight hitting the raindrops at a specific angle to your eyes. It's all about the angle and the light. The sunlight enters a raindrop, reflects off the inside surface, and then refracts as it exits, creating a spectrum of colors. Someone standing beside you sees a rainbow made by different raindrops. So, even if we're standing close to each other, our rainbows are slightly different because the light is hitting different raindrops at different angles.
Wow, so my rainbow is different from yours. That's incredible. I never thought about it that way. It's like we're each getting our own personal light show.
Exactly. It's one of those little wonders of nature that makes you appreciate the world around you. Every rainbow is a personal and unique experience. It's a reminder that even though we share the same world, our experiences can be uniquely our own. Every rainbow is a personal and unique experience. It's like a fingerprint in the sky. No two are exactly alike. And that's what makes them so special. Remember, you need sunshine behind you and rain in front of you to see one. So next time you see a rainbow, take a moment to appreciate its uniqueness. It's a beautiful reminder of the intricate dance between light and water, and how something so simple can create something so breathtaking. And don't forget to capture the moment. Whether it's with a camera or just in your memory, a rainbow is a fleeting beauty that deserves to be cherished. So keep looking up and enjoy the magic of rainbows. Sometimes the most beautiful things in life are the ones that don't last long. Rainbows remind us to appreciate the present moment and find joy in the simple wonders around us. So Luna, next time you see a rainbow, remember that it's your own special version of it. And that makes it even more magical. The world is full of unique and beautiful moments, just like every rainbow. All we have to do is take the time to notice them. And when we do, we realize that the world is a much more wonderful place than we ever imagined.